Hey guys, here is my promised video showing you how to use the Boards app. So Boards, it's white and it says Boards. You can't, I found it hard to find on the App Store. So the best way to join is to get the link from your upline or to send your upline your email address and they can add you to the board. So these are all the different boards that I'm in right now, but you'll probably just have your team board, which for my team, we've just called it the Y board. And you're welcome. I don't mind if anyone joins this from another team. And then a personal board, I would also suggest. And this is where you can put, like, I have links to my email, my Facebook group, my, the things that are specific that only, that I would use, my personal stuff. So I recommend having both of those. In the Y board, there's an image library. So I know that Jamie and Alicia, we've been sharing a lot of the same things. So most likely they have very similar things on theirs as well. But we have an image and video library. And so I'm going to show you the foundation stuff since that's kind of what's going on this month. So there's color matching for color matching help. There's also face, and then you could do like press powder images, or spray foundation, setting powder, all that kind of stuff. And then I added one that's just Flawless 4, so it just has general pictures. So I'm going to show you one that I specifically made for stories. So if you click, so let me actually show you two. There's multiple ways to use this. I'm going to show you the first way, and then I'll show you another way. So one way to share the photos is directly from the app. So if I click on like step 1, so there's like 5 different pictures in here that all kind of go together and it's formatted perfect for stories. Okay. So let's say I click step 1. If you click on this little square arrow at the top right, it's basically a share, and it's going to give you some different options to share. You can share in Messenger. So you could just, message it directly to somebody. Or you can click Facebook. Now I'm using an iPhone. I'm not sure how I'm not sure how this looks on an Android, but I can do it to my news feed or to my story. So if I share it to my story, and I won't let you add any fun little extra things, but it will let you share it directly to your story, which is pretty sweet because I didn't have to save this image to my phone, which was amazing. So if you're used to finding images and then, having to save them onto your phone in an album and then try to find them on your phone and then constantly deleting things off of your phone. That's been my life. So this Boards app is like huge blessing because now I don't have to keep any of this stuff on my phone. You see how easy that was to share to stories? Like, so easy, you guys. So that's one way to do it. The other way is, I'm going to go back. So if you want to share something to your wall, so we talked about being really busy, right? So let's say I want to share this picture. Okay, I'm going to click on that. And let's say I want to share it to my wall. Because I just shared something to my wall, I'm going to change this so it's just me, so it doesn't show up. But you can do your wall, so your newsfeed, or if you change this at the top, you can do a group. So you could, in fact, I'm actually going to post it to my VIP group. And you know what? Let me change it so it's public. But I'm going to change it to my VIP group. Now you can't schedule it this way, but you can post it this way. Okay, I'm not the perfect verbiage, but I'm just throwing up something just to get it up here. Okay, post that. That's going to go in my VIP group. It's going to show up pretty much instantly. Perfect, done. So I just posted on stories on my VIP group in a matter of a minute. Awesome, right? The other way that you can use this is in Messenger. So let's say somebody wants to know about the mattifying foundation or mattifying primer. So in Messenger, boom. Oh, you guys, awesome. Look, so it'll bring up people recently. I'm just going to send it to myself. Oops. Sorry. There we go. And you could write a message, Oh, sorry, Cindy. I don't want to actually send that to you because you'd be so confused. Or, you know, whatever. I'm just showing you guys some examples. Okay, so let's see what that looked like. So I'm going to get out of the app and I'm going to go into Messenger because I'm going to show you the other way that you can use it. So that's how it came. Boom. Like, how easy was that? I didn't have to go searching through photos or going to the photo, you know, image library and saving it to my phone. So the other way that you can use it is right from your keyboards. So let's say I was talking to someone about the mascara and she's like, well, what's the difference between the 4D mascara and the Epic Twisted? All I have to do is change my keyboard here at the bottom. Now the Android's a little bit different, but I'm going to go to the image library. I'm going to click on eyes and browse. Okay. Oh, look, there's a folder, 4D versus Epic Twisted. There's text that explains it. And then there's a photo. I can just copy and paste it and send. Boom. Okay. So there's so many different things in here. There's tons of pictures, you guys. But there's also, if you click on Work the Biz, there's affiliates. Okay. So there's a few different options. There's a foundation affiliate. So if I have a lady that's doing foundation stuff, I can send her the text and I can send her the picture and they're all right here for me. And then she's just going to copy and paste it. If I'm doing lash affiliates, boom. There's even like booking messages of what to send. So simple, you guys. And if you need some help, we've actually put Jamie's video. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Videos, there's videos embedded. Sorry, forgot about that, but I'll show you really quick. So there's training embedded in here too. So Work the Biz, affiliates. Look, here's Jamie's video. So if I'm like, I'm so lost on these affiliates, how the heck do you do them? I can actually watch Jamie's video right in the app.
Hey, Glam Gals.
And I don't have my sound
Who's ready
up,
to learn everything?
She's going to show me all the good stuff, okay? Or you can copy the link and open it up in YouTube, of course. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, so let me go back to my Messenger. Let's say I have a customer that, well, let me go to parties. So Work the Biz is where you're going to find all the parties, affiliates, post content. Guys, there's so many posts. We even put the verbiage in here for you. Like, look at all this. So there's verbiage and the pictures for 30 days of foundation posts. Easy peasy, you guys. So easy. Okay. Sorry, I just had to share that really quick because there's so like, this makes your business so easy. You can run this business while working full time and having amazing, crazy things on the side. Online classes, since we just talked about parties tonight, there's a 5-day lash bash. So it has day 1, day 2, day 3. Okay. Also has the pictures, the verbiage, all the stuff's in here. So the verbiage is in these. Okay. So I wouldn't probably send this through Messenger, but this is what I'd be doing on a group. Okay. There's a few 5-day bashes, excuse me. So there's a few different ones to choose from, which is great. So then we're not all doing the same one. So if I was doing a party, since we talked about parties, I have a little secret group that I just save stuff in that no one else belongs in. So I'm going to post it here. So let's say I'm doing a party. We're going to run it Tuesday night. So Sunday, I'm going to schedule everything ahead of time so I don't have to worry about it. So I can go to my keyboard and change it. Oh, and hopefully I'm not overwhelming you guys. This is going to make your business so easy. I'm going to go to Work the Biz, running online classes. We're going to do a lash bash. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. Actually, that one's not quite done. Let's do this one. I was working on that one today. Day 1, post 1. This is a 5-day lash bash. So let's say we're doing it for 5 days. Hey, now it says Tammy. I can change it. You can also, I'll show you a way you can customize it too. Hey, Michelle, whatever. I can change all that. And then I can schedule it. So for the photo, obviously I'm just taking her photo, but I'll show you how you can copy it to make it your own. Okay. So this is gonna, it's gonna be Tammy's photo. Oh, I forgot to schedule it. Sorry, guys. To schedule it, you would just do all the same stuff, right? Okay. and you'd hit schedule, and I would just schedule it for Tuesday. Let's say we'll start, this one's going to be 8 a.m. So each post is going to take me, I don't know, maybe a minute. So maybe it'll take me 30 minutes to schedule the whole thing. That's not too shabby, right? For not having to leave my house. Super awesome, you guys. Okay, so that's that. Now let me show you one last thing. So let's say you want to do, you're an online party. Now there's 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. You can take these and I'll put them in 1 hour or do it over 5 days. But let's say you want to do this 5-day lash bash, but obviously we don't want to use Tammy's picture, right? Because that's kind of weird. And if we have to change it every single time, that's a little annoying. So let's do this. You're going to click on these 3 little dots in the top right and click select keys. I'm just going to copy one. I'm going to click on the folder, copy. And then I am going to go to my personal board. So this is my stuff. Okay. And I'm going to paste it somewhere. Boom. You can hold it down and move it up. So I'm going to move it up. Moving it up to the top. Oop. Okay. Just so it's up at the top. We'll just move it all the way up to the top. There's my lash bash. This is what I'm going to do for my parties for the rest of the month. But I don't need Tammy's photo because that doesn't really make sense. So I'm going to go, and so I'm not spending time. Let's pretend I'm JD. Sorry, JD, your photo just happens to be here. I'm going to upload my photo. So it's here, easy, ready to go. And once it's on your personal board, you can change it. So on the team board, you can't change anything, but you can copy and paste it. Sorry, I'm just moving this up to the top. So now I can take Tammy's picture and delete it. Okay, there's my, I'm JD for today. And I can change Tammy's story to JD's, or whatever, or my story. JD doesn't have alpacas, so I'm I don't know. Soccer. She plays soccer. Okay, so anyways, you guys get the idea. So you can but look how much time it saved me. I don't have to change anything else. Like, that's amazing. So I've made it, I've customized it to me because I'm pretending I'm JD right now, but I don't have to change anything else. And all the other images are there. It's going to talk about what unique is. There's pictures. Now, of course, you can trade any of these pictures out. You can change anything out, but you're not starting from scratch. So there's not this, oh my gosh, I got to start from scratch. There's even videos that are in here that will automatically play. So yeah, it's just to make it, guys, it's to make it so much easier. One more thing I'm going to share. Hopefully my video won't run out. There's also follow-up in here. So if you go to Work the Biz, customer follow-up. So, hey, someone just purchased the stick foundation. Hey, thanks so much for purchasing the stick foundation. Anyways, you guys, thanks so much for the stick foundation. Here's a quick video showing you how to apply it. What if they purchased the 4D and mascara? Here's a quick tutorial. And it's on Facebook. There's no presenter name or website attached. Spray foundation. Here's a quick video on how to apply the spray foundation. So some of these have, there's tips for you for following up after they get their products, all that good stuff. Thank you for your 4D mascara purchase. Here's a quick thank you image with some tips for application. Your customer is going to get the best experience ever. So we're still adding to those kind of things just so that you know, but it's going to make your business so easy. So what I would suggest is when you're added to either the whiteboard or your uplines board, just take a second to see what's there. How to color match. This is going to take you step by step on what leaders do to color match. Boom, with pictures that you can use. Now you can't copy and paste from here, so you need to just send it to yourself in Messenger and then save it to your phone. Some things you'll need to save to your phone. If you're going to make a collage, you'll probably need to save them to your phone. There's a video that's going to show you how to use the board. There is product education. So there's a link to a PDF where you can print out little unique flashcards. Again, just send that to yourself in Messenger and then you can copy and paste it. But there's the fact sheets for every single product in here that you can forward to customers if they're asking about ingredients. There are how to return and exchange. So there's tips for you how to do a return. And then there's images that you can send to people. And if you double click on this again, it'll come up bigger. So I just sent this to somebody today, the Love It Guarantee, boom. And I didn't have to look for it. And I didn't have to wonder where it was. Convention announcements. So all the new stuff from convention, the EU convention, March special and announcements. So just catching up on what's all the new stuff this month. Boom, here you go. These are all the new things that are happening this month. Before and after pictures, product pictures that have to do with the special, trackers for the special, Facebook banners. I mean, trying to keep it so we're not all just recreating stuff. Videos to share, because pictures of the current kit. How much time do we waste trying to find where's the current picture? What's a picture of the kit? What's a picture of this? Nope, none of that. I already did how to color match. New presenter information, how to run a launch event, how to get paid. So anyways, I would just take a good half hour and just kind of go through this. But work the business. The two main things that I use in here, or three main things, are affiliates. I use this exact thing for my own affiliates. Running your online classes or parties, post ideas and content. This is going to have seriously 90 days of posts, if plus probably half a year's worth of posts that you can use on your wall to help you get sales. So simple, you guys. Oh, and then I mentioned, if you're still on here, if you're still watching the end of this, I applaud you because it's kind of a long video. But under the image library, now don't get overwhelmed. I don't go through and I don't save any of these to my phone. They're just there for when you need them. So I don't really need the discounted products unless someone asks me about them. I don't need the new beachfront stuff until we launch it. I don't need new presenter pictures until I have a new presenter that I need to send things to. So, welcome to Unique. I don't need this until I'm welcoming somebody. Anyway, so they're just here when you need it. Animal testing, when someone asks about it, I can share it. Love It Guarantee, foundation, Unique foundation photos. So all of these things you can schedule, you can share them. What I was going to show was holidays. So there's a St. Patrick's Day one. So I think a really great post for tonight or tomorrow or sometime this week before the St. Patrick's Day would be to share one of these and share it to your wall and say something like, hey, I've got a special gift for what would I say? Pick a number for a special gift from me. Something just super simple like that. And then you message them with either the special or hosting or the kit, right? So there's a few images to choose from, so we're not all sharing the exact same stuff. So isn't this seem amazing? I have to thank Marta Miller for introducing this to all the leaders. And then I had a lot of help with putting these together. So anyways, biz opportunity, you could share these in your stories every day. They're different people sharing their experience with Unique. Right? How amazing. You guys don't have to come up with any of this. I didn't come up with these. These I got from somebody else. These another leader on my team created. These, I think I made these. Anyways, we're all utilizing, sharing together. So we're not just spending time making stuff. We're actually sharing the content. So if you have any questions about this, this is basically your business in a box is what this is. Business in your back pocket. Anything you need to run the business. And if there's something that you feel like you would use that's missing, just let us know and we'll add it to the team board. So super duper easy.